And the eGMP platform, of course, a fully dedicated EV platform, has many advantages for us in terms of design. Designing an EV vehicle has sometimes its challenges, but it also has a lot of advantages. And in the case of an SUV, there's a couple of things that have been really great for us to work with. For example, the wheelbase. It's a very long wheelbase. It's, you'll see later, Gregor from the product side will explain in detail. It's 3.1 meter wheelbase, so quite long. And of course, a long wheelbase for an EV is very important because you put the battery between the wheels. So having a long wheelbase and trying to maintain the footprint as compact as possible gives us short overhangs, a short front overhang, short rear overhang. And the third element that the architecture gives us that's great is the big wheels. Obviously, these are not the lightest vehicles, and they need big wheels for that weight. So big wheels, short overhangs, long wheelbase. This is actually the proportion baseline that in the past has been mostly exclusive to premium makers. So now we're able to start from from the beginning of our design phase with excellent proportions, thanks to the engineering that we're given. In terms of the eGMP platform, I'll touch on the interior in a second. It also has quite a few advantages for us in terms of space in the interior. But let's say once we have these proportions, what we try to do with this vehicle, as you see, it's quite a upright, even boxy silhouette. So this is something we did on purpose. We wanted to have this, what we refer to as an authentic SUV silhouette. So, upright front glass, upright rear glass, upright front, so that it feels capable. As I mentioned, the US is a very important market for us, and that kind of rugged capability is very important as well there. To communicate, let's say, that capability. So that's why you see this boxy silhouette. And then it's sort of working from the top. What did we try to do? First of all, the roof, you see, it looks quite straight. And it is quite straight, but actually, in reality, it leans back quite a bit. And you'll see the section, the roof rack doesn't show it as well, but actually the center line dips down quite a lot. And that's very important to have this sort of aerodynamic teardrop-like shape from the roof and also from the floor. You'll also find out later we have here a flat floor. Of course, that's been super important for aerodynamics.